Please clean your hands before installation. Use wet fiber one to clean your phone screen. And then use dry fiber 2 to remove liquid and dust. If there is still dust, please use dust removal sticker to remove it. Ensure your phone screen is extremely clean, and then peel off the protective layer. Align the screen protector perfectly with your phone's cutouts. Place the screen protector on the screen gently. Use left hand to hold one end of the screen protector, then use your right index finger to press the screen from the one end to the other end in middle. Finish the above steps, use dry fiber to gently press the screen and the edge to let it stick to your phone perfectly.